Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. What we are discussing? We are discussing our 10th class first chapter. What is Dharma? Real number. Okay. Real number is nothing but again it is a combination, or else you can say it is a set of natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational and irrational numbers. Okay. In that we are completing exercise 1.4 and 1.5. We are starting in that we are we are completing up to third one nama. Today we are discussing about the fourth one. What is the fourth one question? Let's see. Expand the following. The whatever expression is there, we have to expand it. Okay, we have to expand, we have to split. Okay, here the single log is there nama. We are splitting this. We have to expand this log. Okay ma. What is the first question here? The log 1000. We have to expand this. We have to find this value. Okay, expand the following means whatever expression is there, we have to expand it. Okay, let's see the first one question. Log 1000. Okay, this is your answer ma. How can we find the first step is there? I am writing this as it is here. Whatever question is there, I am writing here. Log 1000. What we have to do in the second step, we need to convert the 1000 in terms of powers. Okay, in terms of power, how many powers contain 1000? Let's see with the help of LCM. Okay, here we are taking the 1000. How can it 1000 can be divisible by 1000 can be divisible by 10 nama. That's why we are taking the 10s table here. 10 ones are 10. Okay, 10 ones are just we are considering the first two numbers. What when we get 10 ones are 10 and remaining zeros I am writing as it is. In the next step, 100 we get nama. 100 also divisible by 10 nam. When 10 ones are 10. Okay, 10 here I am considering the first two numbers. Okay, 10 ones are 10. 0 is as it is. Again 10 is divisible by 10 nama. When 10 ones are 10. Okay, I am converting the 1000 in terms of 10 in terms of power of 3. Okay, can you see the 1000 how many tens will contain ma? 1 2 3 means 10 into 10. 10 into 10. I am writing the similar here. 10 in place of 1000 we are writing 10 into 10 into 10 because 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000 we get. Okay, x into x we can write x cube nama. Similarly 10 into 10 is can be written 10 into 10 into 10 can be written as 10 cube. Okay, after simplification what get ma? Log 10 to the power of log 10 cube. Okay, log 10 cube is there nama. This step it is in the form of log x to the power m is equals to m into log x. Okay, can you understand my point? This step we are using this law ma. Okay, this law of logarithm we are using the what is that? Log x to the power of m is equals to m into log x. Whatever power is there, we have to write the before the log. Okay, just before the log we have to write the power. In place of n we have 3. In place of x we have 10. Means what we have to do in the next step? Just power we have to write before the log. Means 3 we have to write before the log. I am writing here 3 log x. So 3 log 10 according to this formula ma. 3 log 10 and the log 10 value is a constant ma. What is that? 1. 3 ones are 3. Okay, log 10 value is 1 ma. Okay, log 10 value is 1. 3 ones are 3. Okay, this is the answer is completed. We are converting the we are finding the this value ma. Okay, let's see the second one. Log 1 we have to find the expanded form nama. We have to expand this following expressions. We are completing the first one. Second one is, let's see, the log 128 divided by 625 we have to expand it. Okay, with the help of law of logarithm we have formulas nama of logarithm. With the help of that formula we need to expand this expression. Okay, what is our expression? Log 128 divided by 625. We have to expand this number. Okay, let's see. Given that whatever given in the question we have to write after writing the given that. Okay, let's see the log 128 divided by 625. Here we are converting the 1000 nama with the help of LCM. Here also we have to convert the 128 and 625 with the in terms of 2 and 5. Okay ma, with the help of what? LCM. Okay, first we have to convert the 128. Let's see the 128 I am writing it is this number divisible by 2 now because at last number is 8. 8 is divisible by 2. That's why the whole number also divisible by 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Again we get 64. 64 is divisible by 2 because 4 is divisible by 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again we get 32. 32 also divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. How much left? 1. Means if you put what it will become? 12. 2 6s are 12. Okay. 16 is here. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 128. 128 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into. How many 2s is there? 7 2s is there. Just in place of 128 we are adding the 7 2s. Okay. With the help of multiplication. We are converting the numerator now. Let's see the denominator. Here 5 is there, means 5. Which number it is divisible by whole number? This whole number it is divisible by 5. Let's see with the help of fifth table. 5 table. 125 is 625 I am writing here. Here 6 is there, ma. 6 is not divisible by 5. We are taking the smaller one. 5 ones are 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. How much left? 1 means it become 12. 12 is not come. I'll take the smaller number. 5 2s are 10. Okay. How much left? 2. When we put here 25. Okay. 5 5s are 25. What we get? 125. 125 also divisible by 5. Okay. When we get here, if you consider the 1, it is not divisible by 2. First we have to consider the first 2 number because it is a greater number. Okay. 5 2s are 10. How much left? 2. If you put here, what will become? 25. 25. 5 5s are 25. Again we get the 25. 25 also divisible by 5. When we get 5 5s are 25. Okay. 625 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 to the power of 5. 5 to the power of 4 more. Okay. In place of 625 I am writing the 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Can you see this? This value should be get. Okay, ma. This value we are converting by the LCM now, ma. Let's see the next step. Here the 6 7 count it how many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 na, ma. 7 to the power of 7 we can write it as 2 because x into x can be written as x square na, ma. Similarly the 7 2s is it can be written as 2 to the power of 7. Okay. Here the 5 is there. 5 into 5 into 5. How many 5s is there, ma? 5 to the power of 4. 4 is there. 4 5 is there now. That's why 5 to the power of 4. The back step I am writing similar, ma. Okay. What we get? Log 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power of 4. Okay. In this step we are using the second law of logarithm, ma. What is our law? Log x by y is equals to log x minus log y. Okay. Log x minus log y. In this step we are using this law, ma. Okay. Can you understand my point? For this step we are using this law, ma. In place of x we have 2 to the power of 7. In place of 5 we have 5 to the power of 4. Our expression is in the form of LHS. We need to convert into the RHS. Okay. Log x na, ma. Log x. What is x, ma? Log 2 to the power of 7. Log 2 to the power of 7. Minus is as it is. I am writing here. What is y? Log y na, ma. Log y is there. What is log y? Log 5 to the power of 4. Log 5 to the power of 4. Okay. Can you understand my point? Just I am using this law. According to this law we are converting here. Converting this step from this one to this one. Okay. Let's see. Again we are using the next law of logarithm. What is that? Log x to the power m is equals to m into log x. Whatever power is there we have to write before the log. Okay. For this one and for this first term and second term we are using this formula. Okay. Whatever in place of 2 we have, in place of x we have 2, in place of n we have 7. For this one, come to this one, in place of x we have 5, in place of m we have 4. Okay. Just we are using this law of logarithm. We have to convert the. Okay, ma. What we have to do? Just 7 is just m. Okay. Let's see, ma. Just we have to convert according to this formula. Whatever m is there, whatever power is there, we have to write the before the log. Okay, ma. In first term, for first term, what is the power here? 7. Just 7 we have to write before the log. I am writing in the next step 7 log 2. This expression can be written as 7 log 2 according to this formula, ma. Second time also, for second time we are using this formula also. For whatever power is there we have to write before the logs. 4 is there, the 4 log 5. Okay, 4 log 5. This is your answer, ma. What is your answer at last? Here we need to expand, ma. We are expanding the 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. Okay, we have to expand. We have the single log in the question. We have to expand this form. Okay, because we have to expand the following. This is our question, ma. What is our question? Our question is that Our question is that expand the following. Question is like that was log 128 divided by 625. It is a single log. We are expanding. What we get 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. This is your answer. Let's see the third one. What is the third one I'll take it as a third one is homework. Very simple problem. Only 2 law of logarithm is used. Try it. I'll come to the fourth one Third one is very simple log x plus log y plus log x into y into z is there log x plus log y plus log z. This law of logarithm is used here. Come to the fourth one. What is that? Log p square and q cube divided by 8r to the power of 4. This one we have to find okay. It is a single log we have to expand it. Okay, we have to expand the following. We have to split. Okay, we have to split this equation. Okay, what is the question log p square q cube divided by 8r to the power of 4. Okay, just we have to expand this number. Let's see. Log p square q cube divided by r. In the first step I am writing the same step whatever given question is there. In the first step, can you see this expression what is it? It is in the form of log x by y it is a by form Just we have to use the law of logarithm. What is the second? Which law is applicable here? Log x by y is equals to log x minus log y used here. Okay, according to this formula, we need to convert this expression to this expression. Okay, whatever denominator is there, we are consider as a x. Okay. Whatever denominator is there we are consider as a x and this is as a y. Okay, the whole denominator we are consider x and whole denominator we have to consider as a y. Means that log x by y is equals to log x minus log y. Our expression is in the form of LHS. We need to convert into the RHS. How can we convert? First time is log x means log x. What is x p square q cube log p square q cube. According to this formula log x, in place of log x we have p square and q cube. Okay, log p square q cube minus. Okay, minus is the minus I am writing here. What is y? Log y what is y? Y we have r to the power of 4. Okay, let's see here second law is used here again. Log q cube p square and q cube. It is in the form of log x into y log x into y, because in between which relation is there? Multiplication is there. Means that we are using this formula log x into y is equals to log x plus log y. Okay, plus. Okay, we need to here we are considering p as x and it is a y, means log x. Okay, log p square plus is as it is and y. What is y? Log q cube minus. Okay, minus r to the power of 4 is as it is. I am writing. Just first time we are using this formula. Okay, according to this formula we are converting this to this. Okay, let's see again we have used the again formula. What is log x to the power m into log x we have to find. Okay, we have to convert. Okay, what is in each term we have powers each term we have to power. That power we have to write the before the log. Okay, this expression according to this formula log x to the power m into log x we have to write now. Means that 2 log p just whatever power is there we have to write before the log. Okay, p log 2 log p. What is 3 log q minus 4 log r. Okay, this is the process you have to find. Each and every step we have to use. We are using the law of logarithm. With the help of law of logarithm we have to find the values. We have to expand this value number. For this one you have to remember the law of logarithm. Without law of logarithm, without knowing about the law of logarithm, we cannot find that single step also. First you have to learn about the law of logarithm. You have to remember the law of logarithm, then only you can find the 1.5 exercise. Okay, this is the process to find the fourth one question. Fifth one also try and submit in the group. Whole bit you have to submit in the group, and third one and fifth one is your homework. Try it and submit in the group. Okay, today's class is completed. Thank you.